Bahasa Sunda mah pang simpel-simpelna di dunia.
This is for you.
Ini buat kamu.
Yeuh,
I swear I didn't do that.
Sumpah bukan aku pelakunya.
sing demi ieu mah.
Please, just do it.
Ayo lakukan.
Sok
My feeling are not good.
Perasaan aku gak enak.
karungsing,
I don't want to.
Aku gak mau.
embung ah.
Wait for me, please.
Tunggu aku dong.
Heula.
Doesn't seem to be right.
Kayaknya gak bakalan beres.
Moal baleg.
My foot trip until I'll face down.
Aku terjatuh sampai tersungkur.
Kusruk.